Can AI really build a $10,000 per month YouTube channel in just 90 days? I used a simple stack of tools to do exactly that, and in this video, I'll show you the exact ones that made it possible. No editing background, no team, just smart systems. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more real strategies to grow and automate your channel. Let's get started. 1. Tool selection. Choosing the right AI tools was critical for growing my channel to $10,000 monthly. I researched extensively to find AI software that matched content creation needs perfectly. Not all AI tools offer equal value, so selecting those with proven efficiency saved my time. The ideal tools automate editing, optimize keywords, and generate ideas quickly without fuss. By testing multiple options, I settled on a few that boosted productivity and output quality. These tools help scale content production without sacrificing video quality or audience value. Smart tool selection eliminated tedious tasks, letting me focus on creative strategy daily. The right AI saved hours each week, accelerating channel growth from 0 to 10,000. 2. Content automation. Using AI for content automation streamlined my video production and cut turnaround times drastically. iTools handled tasks like script generation, voiceovers, and video editing automatically and fast. This automation meant I could upload new videos frequently, pleasing both audience and algorithm. Manual video editing bottlenecks disappeared, allowing a steady stream of fresh content daily. Automated workflows reduced mistakes and ensured consistent quality across all my channel videos. AI-driven automation freed me from repetitive tasks, enabling more focus on strategic growth. By automating publishing schedules, videos went live exactly when viewer engagement peaked. Consistent uploads powered by automation boosted watch time and monetization simultaneously. 3. AI research. Deep AI research uncovered tools that not only save time but enhance video quality significantly. Researching user reviews and tutorials helped me identify tools with best real-world results. Constant tool evaluation ensured my channel stayed ahead with the latest AI-driven innovations. Thorough research prevented investing in ineffective or buggy AI products that waste resources. Staying updated with AI trends allowed rapid adaptation to algorithm changes and viewer preferences. Research empowered me to combine multiple AI tools seamlessly into one efficient workflow. I found AI solutions that helped tailor content to niche audience needs with precision and speed. Research also guided me on ethical AI use to maintain authenticity while scaling content. 4. Script writing AI. AI-powered script writing tools accelerated content creation by generating well-structured scripts fast. These AI tools help me maintain consistent tone, style, and message clarity across videos. Scripts generated by AI allowed me to produce educational and engaging content without burnout. Script AI saved hours weekly, freeing time for video editing and marketing activities. I could experiment with multiple script versions quickly, improving quality through iteration. Using AI for scripting reduced writer's block and boosted my creative confidence enormously. Scripts remained on topic, concise, and engaging, increasing watch time and audience retention. 5. Video editing AI. AI video editing tools automated cutting, transitions, and effects, speeding up post-production. These tools eliminated manual editing delays, enabling quick turnaround for more frequent uploads. Automated editing maintained consistent video quality, crucial for professional-looking content. AI editors also optimized pacing and removed filler, improving viewer retention metrics significantly. By automating repetitive tasks, I focused on creative input and final quality control only. Editing AI handled complex edits that would normally require hours from human editors. Faster editing cycles increased video volume and kept my channel consistently active and fresh. The AI's ability to integrate branding and graphics enhanced channel identity and professionalism. Video editing AI cut costs on outsourcing and kept my production pipeline lean and profitable. 6. Thumbnail AI. AI-powered thumbnail generators created eye-catching images that improved click-through rates. The tools analyzed top-performing thumbnails and suggested design elements for maximum impact. I helped test different thumbnails quickly, identifying which visuals attracted more clicks. Better thumbnails drove more traffic to videos, directly increasing views and revenue potential. Automated thumbnail creation saved time for other important channel building activities daily. Thumbnails maintained consistent branding, reinforcing viewer recognition across videos. High-quality thumbnails made my content stand out in competitive YouTube search results. Using AI tools for thumbnails reduced reliance on expensive graphic designers or complex software. 7. SEO AI. SEO tools optimized video titles, descriptions, and tags for better search rankings efficiently. These tools research trending keywords and phrases relevant to my channel's niche thoroughly. Optimized SEO metadata helped videos rank higher, leading to increased organic views and income. SEO eliminated guesswork by suggesting high-traffic keywords with low competition smartly. Regular SEO updates kept my content visible despite YouTube's constantly evolving algorithms. These tools generated better metadata faster, allowing me to focus on creating more videos. SEO AI tools helped target the right audience, improving ad revenue and channel growth steadily. I also tracked keyword performance, allowing timely adjustments for sustained visibility. 8. Automation tools. Automation AI tools managed video scheduling, social media posts, and audience engagement. These tools freed me from manual posting tasks, ensuring consistent content delivery times. Automating repetitive tasks saved mental energy, focusing me on content improvement and strategy. Automation AI also monitored analytics and alerted me to important performance changes fast. Using automation tools was vital in handling rapid channel growth without sacrificing quality. Automation enabled me to sustain steady income by keeping content and audience engagement high. Automation is a foundational pillar for creators aiming for consistent, $10,000 monthly revenue. Ignoring automation tools puts creators at a disadvantage in today's fast-paced YouTube market. 9. Trend analysis. Trend analysis tools identified viral topics and content formats relevant to my audience. These tools scanned large datasets to forecast upcoming trends and viewer interests accurately. Trend tools also monitored competitor channels, offering strategies to outperform them consistently. Data-backed trend spotting gave me confidence in content direction and monetization choices. Ignoring trend analysis risks missing crucial viral opportunities and stalling channel growth. Using trends smartly enhanced ad revenue and opened doors for sponsorships and collaborations. Trend analysis accelerated my channel's path from $0 to $10,000 monthly earnings quickly. Creators who use AI trend data enjoy a competitive edge and faster YouTube success paths. 10. Workflow integration. Integrating all AI tools into a smooth, automated workflow optimized my entire channel process. From scripting to publishing, AI worked together, minimizing manual input and errors drastically. This seamless integration saved hours daily, letting me focus on content strategy and creativity. Automation pipelines ensured consistency in quality, branding, and upload schedules perfectly. Efficient workflows reduced stress and increased channel scalability without overwhelming workload. Integration improved responsiveness to audience feedback and rapid content iteration cycles. The combined power of AI tools created a scalable, repeatable system driving steady income growth. Workflow integration made complex channel management manageable for a solo creator like me. It allowed fast experimentation with new ideas without disrupting the production schedule. The synergy of AI tools accelerated growth and monetization beyond what manual methods allow. This approach turned a simple idea into a thriving channel earning $10,000 monthly reliably. Creators who build integrated AI workflows position themselves for long-term YouTube success. These AI tools help me scale faster, smarter, and without burning out. Which one will you try first for your channel? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on faceless YouTube, automation, and building real income with digital tools. Stay tuned for more ways to level up your online game.